Hi, my name is Jabel, and I would just like to say that coming here to the course really helps me gain confidence to take my exam, especially practicing with the equipment and materials. It feels like I'm at the OSCE Center taking my exam.
Hello, Manong George here. Welcome to our channel. And today we have a very special guest.
Hello, so I'm Julius de La Paz. Nurse ako since 2009 sa Philippines. And then nag-move ako sa UK ng 2015 as a band 3. And then nakuha ko yung PIN ko ng same year. And then a year after, nag-apply ako sa band 6 and then as a band 7 sa Cambridge. And then nag-move ako sa London ng last year, 2021, February, as a band 7 as well. So yung title ko ngayon, charge nurse ako sa isang GI services unit. We manage yung mga surgical and medical GI patients.
Manong knows best.
Nightingale Foundation is a charity organization siya in the UK na nagpo-provide ng scholarships sa nurses, midwives, and other healthcare professionals. So they have a lot of scholarship programs na ino-offer sa mga nurses. So but a lot of it is around leadership. Yung ibang mga programs nila kailangan may backing ng foundation trust or ng trust kung saan ka nag-work. Pero yung ibang programs naman nila is open for everyone, and some of it merong funding na in place. So hindi na kailangan ng backing ng trust. Essentially, it's free. Obviously, with all the eligibility that you have to fulfill, kailangan ng eligibility mo depende sa course na or sa program na you're gonna apply to.
Manong knows best.
This kasi sinend siya ng chief nurse namin around sa mga matrons. And yung mga matrons naman namin, sinend sa amin ng mga nurses. So, sabi ko, I got interested kasi it's for internationally trained nurses then. So, sabi ko, doon pa lang, I'm very eligible. So, I took my chance and I grabbed the opportunity na mag-apply. And then, yeah, I got accepted.
Manong knows best.
For this program called Internationally Educated Nurses and Midwives Online Leadership Program. So this is funded by another charity called the Burdett Trust for Nursing. Open siya sa lahat ng international educated nurses and midwives, whether in the NHS, social care, or private healthcare. So open rin siya sa nurses who are or midwives who are working in the private sector. So open siya whether you have been working here for some time or bago ka sa UK healthcare setting. Yung aim niya is to enhance yung leadership skills ng mga internationally educated nurses and midwives.
Manong knows best.
Hanggang May 2023 siya. So it's divided into 5 modules. Yung module 1 will open on Monday sa 24. And then there will be a celebration event ng May 2023.
Manong knows best.
Siyempre, ang aim natin is, well, I know it's not for everyone, but for those who are aiming to progress in their career dito sa UK, as for me, I have experience na kasi I've been here a while. It's very, the playing field when it comes to progression is very much open for everyone. Hindi siya dahil senior na ako, I will be prioritized sa promotion. It's a level playing field, depende sa skills mo. So this program will help me to lead with a greater presence and personal impact. Ma-adapt ko yung leadership style ko sa Philippines and from my previous job to how I can progress here. I can have a clearer identification ng personal leadership style ko. I can improve my confidence in speaking up kasi isa yun sa mga learning outcome nila. And ability to understand and lead quality improvement. Kasi dito, since lahat is evidence-based, it will be nice to have some insight on quality improvement as you move up the ladder. And also, to also build my confidence and understanding of how to progress sa career. Kasi naturally, mga Filipinos, very shy, very soft-spoken, very passive. So, I can say I'm confident, pero obviously it's also different. Yung confidence na pag dito ka lumaki, especially we're not naturally English-speaking people. So medyo sometimes it's difficult to convey your message straightforwardly. Kaya kailangan din natin ng ganitong mga programs to help us build ourselves up.
Manong knows best.
Filipinos, alam naman yan worldwide na we are very caring and very dedicated sa job natin and very hardworking. Kaya a lot of the time, yung preference talaga natin when it comes to working. Pero when it comes to leading, I think yun na yung next step na kailangang i-develop ng mga Filipinos, not just myself, lahat tayo para makita nila how we can be as an overall and holistic leader and person, di ba, sa profession ng nursing.
Always remember, Manong knows.
Manong knows best, put your worries to rest.